Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by narrowing the string you need. Be precise about case, spacing, and special characters so you don't chase false matches. Open the file, folder, or project now and make sure you have read access. Once done, select the tool you'll use, an editor, grep, or IDE search. You should also decide whether to treat the string as literal or regex. This matters because regex enables patterns. Literal avoids surprises from meta characters, so pick the right mode before searching. You now run the search using the chosen tool and mode. Type the exact string or the regex pattern and set the scope to the file or folder you intend to scan. Once started, include flags like case-sensitive or whole word to reduce noise, and use recursive or project scope for breadth. If results are too many, refine the pattern or add exclusions. If too few, relax constraints or test parts of the pattern incrementally so you can verify matches step by step. You finish by inspecting each match in context to confirm it's the string you want. Open surrounding lines and verify intent before editing. Once satisfied, navigate or replace with caution using previews or backups. If replacements are needed, run them in a controlled way, one at a time or with dry run options. If you can't find the string, make sure you expanded scope, checked hidden files, or simplified your pattern. Adjusting these usually resolves missed matches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.